How to fix 5G network not working on iPhone. First up, open up your settings in your iPhone and then head towards the section called General. Click on the option that says General and then scroll down to the bottom of the page as you can see on the screen in order to go and access an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm and then reset your settings and restart your phone. The next step is to go to an option called Cellular under the settings and here click on Cellular Data Options. After you click on this, click on Voice and Data and here select the 5G option. Also make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version by going and selecting the software update option. Here, if you have any updates available for your phone, make sure you update it and then restart your phone. And this is how you can easily fix 5G network not working on your iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.